Hey guys, this is Mary. Welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas Cards series for 2019 on Cardz TV. And today we're going to do card number 5 in the series, and we're going to use this absolutely gorgeous, close to my heart, card making workshop kit called Cedar and Pine. And I'm going to leave you a direct link right below this video on my blog as well as here on YouTube, so you can go and check this out over at Linda's Close to My Heart site. It is a beautiful kit. Let me show you what comes in it. We'll get this absolutely gorgeous stamp set. Look at this. We have a creche. We have a manger with the baby Jesus, a dove. We have a large star and a small star. Then we have Grace and Peace to You, and I love this font. Rejoice and Oh Holy Night. And Close to My Heart gives us the dies so that we can cut these out. We're going to get this beautiful gold embellishing thread. So pretty. And because this kit will make 15 cards, we're going to get 15 envelopes and pre-scored card blanks. We always get an instruction manual. If you're a new card maker, this is perfect for you guys. We can make 3 of each of these 5 cards, or you can do your own thing. But inside we've got all the cutting instructions and the instructions on how to put each card together, including how to do your stamping. Look at these papers. I love this one. The colors in it are so rich and vibrant. And this is the reverse side. So you get 2 of these. You get this pretty zip strip along the top of each paper. And then we're going to get a piece of black cardstock, a piece of this mustard yellow cardstock, which is kind of a gold color, a light gray, and a daisy white. Okay guys, let's get started on card number 5. I decided to use a Cardz TV Kit and Caboodle card sketch for card number 5. This is sketch number 6, and you'll find all 31 sketches over at my blog, cardztv.blogspot.com, and they're all free to download, guys. So you can go ahead, download them to where you keep your photographs, and when you get stumped for a card idea, maybe they'll give you a little inspiration. Now I'm using one of the card bases that comes in the kit. This is going to be a portrait style card. It's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. I took a piece of that gold colored cardstock and also a piece of that beautiful pattern, and I used 2 rectangle dies. These are scallop dies, and one is just a little smaller than the other. I thought that was so pretty with this paper. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Now, the reverse side of this paper is this pretty green that's got some black running through it, almost like a check. And if we look at the sketch, this border is 1 inch by 3 3/4. But I decided to make it 1 inch by 4 1/4, so it'll go all the way across the front of the card. So I'm going to get that attached. Now I have a 3-inch circle and 1 1/4 inch circle on the front of my sketch, but I decided instead of the 3-inch circle I would use the little creche. So I took that stamp and stamped this with some brown ink, and I just did some light coloring on it with my Spectrum Noir markers in a gray, a kind of a golden brown, and a medium brown, and then a pale yellow here in the center. And I also used the manger with baby Jesus and used the dies to cut out the creche and the baby Jesus. So I'm going to go ahead and get that creche on there, and I've got baby Jesus on some foam tape, and it's going to go right there like that. And then for my circle up here, this is 1 1/4 inch, and I used the Oh Holy Night stamp that comes in the kit, and I stamped it with that same brown, and that's going to go right up there. So I'm going to get the backing off the foam tape and get all this attached to the front of my card. Here's my finished card using the Close to My Heart card making workshop called Cedar and Pine, and didn't it turn out pretty, guys? I love this kit, and I will be using it again for some other Christmas cards. And I also used Cardz TV Kitten Caboodle sketch number 6. So there we go, guys. Now I'm going to leave you a direct link to this kit on my blog, as well as here under this video on YouTube. It'll take you directly to this kit on Linda's Close to My Heart site. And I know if you pick this one up, guys, you will be so happy you did. It's just a beautiful kit. Thank you so much for coming by today, guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.